How to replace the visor on the Black Orbit helmet. The tool you will need for this is a 3mm Allen key. You want to start by removing the base plate on each side of the helmet. It is worth noting that on the left side of the helmet there is an additional lever. Ensure this lever is in the top position. As you remove each part, place them in a line to make the process easier when reassembling the base plates. Use the 3mm Allen key to remove the central part of the base plate. Remove all additional parts and place them in a line as you go. Once this is done, open the visor fully until the two clear plastic gear teeth align with the groove. You will see a small lug. Pull the visor back slightly to release the lug, then lift the visor out. When you are ready to replace your visor, place the new visor by reversing the removal process, ensuring the lug goes back in first. Reattach the base plate in reverse order of renewal, and finally, use the Allen key to screw them back on each side. It's as easy as that.